Hello people, this is Chaike presenting you another gameplay of Dota. Playing techies going into the top lane. Going against a 4 melee lineup, so I guess it's gonna be fine. They have a better late game though, which may be a problem for me because Techies is a hero which can send the game as late as he wants to.
I'll take that.
Invoker will be probably mid against a Death Prophet.
Okay, let's blow something up.
I guess Invoker is a better mid laner than Death Prophet. Death Prophet has a better harassing potential, but Invoker's just if he it's going against a Phantom Assassin. I guess still Invoker wins the lane.
Science.
Going against a Death Prophet in the lane, I don't think that's great because that harass is already being a very squishy hero. I guess the harass is she have a stout shield, yes. So I practically do no damage to her. 30 plus 20 damage block. 20 damage block. So whenever that triggers, I'm practically hitting her for 10 damage. Just gonna keep warding till I get a soul ring.
First blood.
Well,
Start with a bang.
got the first blood. Basically, that's what you have to try with the techies. Get the first blood, that helps you get your sword in pretty fast. I'm gonna put gonna put some mines right here to prevent any ganks from mid lane from Phantom Assassin. That Death Prophet is the only hero who can de-ward. She has 600 things. Yeah, I guess it's still fine. Let's have her.
Your top tower is under attack.
What was that?
I can still comparatively harass the Death Prophet.
In place.
Early game, 3 mines are more than enough to get the fan. Invoker dies mid lane. Juggernaut not doing that bad, getting boots. My main focus right here is just to get level 6 as fast as possible. Legend Commander jungling. Yes, it's gonna be fine. Planting some mines in front of the jungle camps. Okay, she's back in the lane.
Let's go. Plant it.
Regeneration!
It's still fine. I still believe that she will be trying to jungle. She's a hero who needs to solo farm for a while till she gets a Blink Dagger or at least a Shadow Blade. So till then, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Can go for a Tranquil Boots, but prefer an Arcane Boots. Gives you basically 300 and 250 mana every time you wanna have a mine down, including the Soul Ring. So Tranquil Boots gives you regen, but right now not focusing on the regen that much. Oh, she already tried to pull that, yeah. Okay, can go for a suicide right there. He's just got regen. I guess that's fine. I have suicide ready.
Yes. You sure?
Quit arguing.
Yep.
Invisibility.
The bounty didn't commit to the kill.
Welcome back, guys.
Again losing the mid lane. Died for no reason right there. It's still fine because the cooldown reduction's still there. Okay, just gonna ward somewhere, mine somewhere else. Level 3, it's fine. Yes, yeah. Support's also level 3 right now. Phantom Assassin's getting pretty fat. Okay. Yep, she's getting farmed out. She's got a bottle. Not such mana.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Still losing the mid lane against a Phantom Assassin.
What? Aha! Planted!
Okay. Yep, so Juggernaut's
Yes!
getting the farm he needs. I guess he's the only one who can carry a late game.
Huh?
We'll still need an MKB to go up against the Phantom Assassin, and yes, we should get okay. The Juggernaut drop, right? The Juggernaut drop.
Extinction.
Okay, I don't know. Misclick. Stupid idea.
Your top tower craves your attention.
Run away, creep. Okay.
Planted!
A spot of trouble at your top tower.
Double
Phantom
damage.
Assassin already got her treads.
Yup.
Top lane. Who's the top lane? Bounty Hunter.
You
Bounty
sure?
Hunter sitting
Quit
back.
arguing.
So I can. But the creeps will follow me. Such a great idea.
Your top tower craves your attention. Dire's structures are fortified.
We go!
Get my boots. Okay, Bounty Hunter gang, but got the Phantom Assassin.
Let's go!
That's great. We need to just keep ganking the Phantom Assassin so that she doesn't get farmed off. No, I don't think I have that much. Still level 4. I guess it's still fine. We need those early levels, but too low on health. I don't think I will be able to go in. Last hitting's pretty impossible with this hero. Just 38 damage. So your creep deals more than that, right? 22, 25. The siege creep deals more.
The enemy denied their bottom tower.
We basically got their bottom tower even though it was denied. This is still fine. Legend jungling.
Well-gotten gains.
Something wicked at your middle tower.
Haste.
Put one more ward there just for safety measures. The Phantom Assassin. Phantom Assassin. How many wards do I have here? 4. Yes, it's fine.
Fancy beating you here.
Yeah, I don't think that's enough to kill her.
We're going!
Just gonna,
Right here!
just put some more wards right there. Didn't think what Phantom Assassin's going for. Getting a magic wand. Don't have much spammers in our team. The magic wand's not gonna help her much.
Quit arguing.
Yes, you should have gone for some.
Your bottom tower is under
Well,
attack.
getting enough freeform in the mid lane. She
Yes,
should
I
have
see
tried
that
to go for the
Radiant
rush.
just fortified their structures.
Either a Skull Basher or the Battle Fury.
What was that?
I didn't see anything.
Rikimaru deeping into mid lane. It's fine.
Off we go!
Even though Chica deeping into mid lane. Guess it's fine. 3 people of their team in the mid lane and basically 4 of ours.
Off we go!
Put one more warrior and fight. Yep.
I have failed.
He's gonna drop, but so is the bounty hunter.
Your top tower is under attack.
You're not gonna get that.
Good plan.
Then your top tower fell into
alright.
pieces.
Our top tower fell right there. No, I'm gonna pull the creep.
A spot of trouble at your top tower.
Yep, got one last hit.
Come on!
It's fine. Need to be level 6 to do any to put on any pressure right now. Got 3.
Your top tower is under attack.
Just gonna stay in the lane, get some experience. Hit level 6.
Yes!
Not so scared. Phantom Assassin. Even if she comes up to me, I can obviously suicide.
Here!
The Phantom Strike's gonna make her come to the melee range to me, due to which my suicide's gonna deal the full damage. It's right now 650. Calculate how much.
Fulminated Mercury.
What are we missing?
Yeah, 800 and physical damage. Oh, 33 physical damage. It's quite a lot. It's
Let's go.
yep. After the boots, it's gonna take some time right now. I just got one first blood. After that,
Fierce
haven't
and
got any
Dire
other
have fortified their structures.
kill. Back off right here.
Your bottom tower is being invaded.
Juggernaut's got a
Radiant
Master of Madness
structures have
already.
been secured.
Yes, that's fine on far.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Hardly.
Excuse me.
I'm gonna still stay in the mid lane till my till I hit level 6. Okay. Oh, she survived that. Didn't expect that. How tanky is she? I guess I should have put one more ward.
Think fast!
I still don't understand the concept of her getting a bottle. Because she's got a ring of Aquila.
I have failed in my
It was quite stupid of him to stay there.
Going, we're
Phantom
going!
Assassin hitting level 10. Still, I don't think she has enough farm with her. Got another last one.
Let's go!
Invoker getting a 4-star. He's going for a Quasi-Exorber.
Excuse us.
The Quasi-Exorber is fine, but so do they have sentry wards? Yep, they do have sentry wards. Already starting to get sentry wards, so probably try to get a 4-staff next. Illusions.
Mine!
So unlucky right there.
Science!
She did send them purposely because they had a sentry ward to deward. I'm gonna go for a first star first before an Adhenims.
What was that?
I didn't see anything.
I'm gonna probably go and push the mid tower first before the bot.
Yes.
The lane's not pushed enough for me to put some remote mines.
Let's go. And just so.
Juggernaut's farming the jungle is gonna rush his Aghanim's.
Come on.
This is perfectly fine. Okay, they do have one more sentry ward.
Up we go!
I'm gonna use a landmine to clear out the creepers.
Your bottom tower is being invaded.
This one there. There.
Just good little mine. Yes, you are.
Death Prophet going for a Crystallis. Is that a blade?
Lot of trouble at your top tower.
Was nice.
Your top tower craves your attention.
100 pin. Very late response. Okay, so they're still focusing on the mid lane. No.
Isn't that nice? Yes, you were.
Get him. Set. You're a genius.
Ah, shucks, go on.
Keeper of the Light. Then help me clear out the creepers.
That
I
way.
hope that doesn't give it.
Yep.
Bounty Hunter going for an orchard. Yes, an orchard. Where is the creep? And yep. And on the other hand, the invoker's AFK. Or is he just not? Okay, he's not AFK. Yes, it's fine. Fast.
They're on it.
And keep some more.
Oh boy.
Invoker did fall.
Huh?
What?
There it goes.
Okay, Phantom Assassin getting a moderate
You
mask.
sure?
Quit
Going
arguing.
for a Helm of Dominator, but I guess still she was
Your top
wasting
tower
quite a lot of
craves
time
your
getting the
attention.
bot queue as well as the magic
Gallant
wand.
Radiant have
She could have
fortified their
already
structures.
started using Helm of Dominator to start stacking by now.
A spot of
and
trouble at
get
your
half
top
of a
tower.
battlefield by now. I guess it's fine. She was
Your top tower is under attack.
I really got vision for that. This is gonna ward top 2. I don't think that warding right in front of the tower is gonna push the lane. Warding right in front of the tower is any good because
The enemy's
They
middle
are,
tower was torn down.
gonna try and ward because they do expect some mines right here. So if they ward right here, they're just gonna be standing on top of it. Also, they only have one right now. Are being at a small advantage because they only have one ranged hero. So without a Death Prophet, they using the ultimate just to win the duel. I guess it's still worth it.
Your
Because,
bottom tower is
Legend
under
Commander,
attack.
if she starts getting duels early, she's
Just beautiful.
Your bottom tower is being invaded.
It's not enough damage.
Slow application.
Yes, those stats did help her there. The stats getting her a bit tanky. Who did I get? The Earthshaker? The Earthshaker.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
I guess the Aghanims is still a better choice.
We're going.
Your bottom tower is being invaded.
The Death Prophet is 900 damage. No, I don't think that's enough to kill her. Right now, I at least need 5 mines. Right there, I only had 4 and still just could get the Earthshaker. After my level 2 mines, after my level 2 mines, I guess 3 would be more than enough. But as I'm roaming more than laning,
There is no dishonor in
it's gonna take
regeneration.
some time. I'm gonna mine some mermaid. I'm gonna keep one more right here
Science.
and then go for that.
Here we go. This is it.
We do have a sentry ward right here. So they don't have a tower. That's the reason why they don't have vision for that. The Rikimaru still is in the mid lane.
Is that for me?
The Legend and the Death
Striking from
Prophet
us
do
here.
try to push right here. She went for a blade now. I
That
guess
way.
that can counter me, right? It can counter me pretty much. But for that she has to step on the mines too. It's pretty risky because my mines are usually like in a short death. I'm gonna place my mines right here right now.
My mind is exploding with ideas.
Already have a push lane.
I hope.
So the gank is probably gonna be. Okay, who was ganked? Okay, they are pushing the bot lane. Yes, we all are top of it. Phantom Assassin's mid.
Here goes nothing.
I'll put some here then. The key spot. Not really, not.
Huh?
What?
Okay. Pushing down the tower. Already got an orchard on the bounty hunter. The orchard's fine build. Desolator, I would have preferred a Desolator more. Just a rush MKB. But that I would be expecting sooner on. He already got his Aghanim Scepter. Expect an MKB right now on the Juggernaut.
Excuse us.
Just because
Yes.
okay, gank up top.
You sure?
Quit arguing.
Don't think I can do much right now going in there. Yep, you see right there, the bounty hunters orchard. It's not gonna help much during that gank because that is a lot of silence as well as disable they have. So bounty hunter's orchard will only let him focus on one person. The Desolator, if he is able to get a click on every single guy on the team, the Invoker as well as the Juggernaut can do quite a lot, as well as my mines and my suicide.
It's not time.
So the Desolator would have been a better choice, but the Orchard's fine because they do have a Rikimaru, and if he's not able to get his track on him, or if his track is just gonna
What's that?
I didn't
get
see
over, he can obviously use his Orchard. Ricky's invisors are one of those which do stop if you are silenced. That is, you do get vision if Ricky is silenced.
Hope this works.
There, my mines are here. Okay.
I think your eyebrow's growing back. There's a good little mine. Set.
Your middle tower is not doing well.
He's gonna push the mid lane. It's going in stupid.
Your middle tower is under attack. Your middle tower met its demise. The enemy's top tower has fallen. Your bottom tower is being invaded.
That went well, I think.
I couldn't get a suicide on her. We did get the top tower, so I guess that's a fine enough trade. Okay, she TP top. Couldn't get those mines down. Got 2 right here, 1 here.
Something wicked at your middle tower.
Just got 2 landmines. Got to play a bit more aggressive right now because we have already got.
We weren't finished.
Did okay, they do come to the mid lane, which I don't think they will. Only their bot towers
Off we go.
left, and probably the Death Prophet's also gonna get that. He's got a Yule Scepter.
Your bottom tower is under attack. Alas, your bottom
So goes our
tower
bot
is
tower.
no more.
Don't think can do much. Can't solo anyone. May be able to get a kill on the Riki.
Let's do that again.
We got 2 kills on the Earthshaker and the Riki. Yes, the Riki is not that high on the net worth. Just got 300 gold. Guess I expected a bit more. Got 3 kills. It's fine. Yeah, just gonna go for an Agnum Scepter. 1 Agnum Scepter remote mine can destroy 1 complete creep wave. So it's gonna help us push a lot, even if we don't have our carries alive. It's just gonna be the main advantage.
And done.
Don't have any remote mines left.
Off we go.
Just gonna put 4 mines. I guess 4 mines.
So
That's
beautiful.
450 into. Yep. Gonna put 4 mines every lane. They only have 2 strength heroes, and I guess still one of the squishy ones.
Acting over.
So it's probably a gank mid.
Off we
It's not an
go.
assassin mid. Yep. 4 mines per
There
lane.
we are.
Just a bit in front of the towers. Not let them push, and then I'm gonna go for a bit more aggressive type of wards.
What?
Sorry, mines. Just so that we can be held in gank a bit more.
Haste.
First of all, I'm gonna mine the Rosh. There's a high chance that they will be going for a Rosh
Good
soon.
plan.
Some right there. Okay. My mines. Okay, it's a bad idea. Running out of mana. Soul Ring is on cooldown.
Yes.
Kotal, can you give me some mana?
Just for you.
We do have Keeper of the Lights, it's fine.
We thank you.
Get some more, around 5 as a Rosh pit. They will be going for a Rosh around in the 35 or at least the 40th minute mark. So,
We're going. We're going.
they
Jeez.
already pushed that. Bad. Yeah, they do have a ward right here. Mines up top. Okay, there's not much left.
Your top tower craves your attention. Radiant structures are fortified. A spot of trouble at your top tower. That is the end of your top tower.
Yeah, the Death Prophet's gonna fall. Couldn't get the Rikimaru.
Huh?
What?
Need some sentries right here, or just a smoke. I can just get a smoke.
Woohoo! Set mine. Beautiful.
We're going!
Jeez.
The bounty hunter did get a Desolator, but I still want to see if he's going for an MKB. Yes, he is. He went for a Skull Basher first. I guess it's still fine. Should have rushed for an MKB. Would have helped much more.
What?
Like, it's perfectly reasonable. Oh, nuts. Bad food, bad food. Phantom Assassin top.
Already.
Got 2 kills right there. I'll try to rotate top. Gonna stay with the team right now.
Let's go.
Phantom Assassin.
Nice.
Kind of. There. So, got a team wipe. It's fine. They're able to push this tower down. Yep. Perfect gang.
You sure?
Quit arguing.
Get this tower down.
Dire has secured their structures.
Yes, it's still fine.
Get him.
The enemy's top tower is now ash and dust.
Yes, I'm gonna go for some aggressive wards right here.
Off we go!
Bountiful.
Yeah, I guess not.
Planted.
My woes grow light as a feather.
Set.
Kick fast.
Phantom Assassin. Doesn't go
How many
down.
daggers am I
Yes,
holding?
that's the reason why I would have preferred the
I didn't see anything.
MKB before the Skull Basher on the Juggernaut.
Hope this works!
He's already got it again. Just the Demon Edge left. Before, if he hadn't bought the Skull Basher, I guess he could have gotten it much earlier, which, according to me, would have been better.
Not yet.
That way.
I try and stay as a bait here.
Let's go!
Nice try.
I don't know why she was standing there. I guess he did have a sentry. Did he have? He had a dust. It was off cooldown. I guess killing me right here, they were able to get the vision on that, but it faded away. She still went for it. Got my smoke. Got my Aghanims too. Well, after my Agnums now, pushing is gonna be difficult for them because with one bomb I can clear one complete creep wave. 340, 590.
So, what'd you do with your break?
I think I was dead.
Oh.
I'm gonna plant some more in the Rosh pit. Yes, my team's still winning in team fights after the MKB, which is 900 gold away for the Juggernaut. It's gonna be much quicker. Yep, got the Rikimaru too. You can still use that.
And stupidity.
Yes!
Yep, got my Aghanims.
Aw, just look at it.
Nice.
I guess we are going for the Rosh. No, I guess we're not. Gonna play on some more mines in the Rosh pit. We're already 2 minutes more. Well, I expected them to Rosh by now.
Here goes nothing.
They didn't. Okay, we got an MKB on the Juggernaut. Yeah.
Finders, keepers.
Yeah, the Phantom Assassin's here. My smoke just got cancelled.
Killing spree.
See,
Planted.
we are going for the Rosh. For them. Got a scepter at the 36 minute mark. I don't think it's bad enough. Gonna go for a 4-staff. They're probably gonna get gems now.
Haste.
The point of getting a 4-staff is that as they only have Death Prophet as the range, just 4-staffing Death Prophet into my mines and then bursting them. I need some mines, man.
Roshan fell by Radiant hands.
Ooh.
Okay.
Huh?
What?
Yeah.
There's
Well, we did use a tornado, but even without the tornado, now I'll be easily able to push. Just creep waves without anything else. Just 300 mana. 300 mana, easily be able to push out creep waves.
nice.
Did you
Yes,
not?
we are diving to it. We already lost the ages.
Yes!
The fight does continue. May be able to get silence. Yes, all three are gonna fall.
Assassination
Got a team
is
wipe right there.
nature's way.
It's 900 damage.
Why did they kill us?
Yeah, that's our job.
What? What?
Look away.
Double kill.
Even got the Death Prophet.
Really
Landmines.
boring.
Just landmines. Well.
Let's go.
Yeah, I just saw right there. Even the point of techies is that even if
That way.
you do get, even if you lose your gank, if you do have mines, yeah, if you do have mines, you're just gonna prevent them from pushing the lanes. So the team fight, even though they do get gold, they'll not be able to take down your towers. Thus sending the game into late game phase. Right now, that may be just that may just go for a disadvantage for us.
Sit and watch. You sure?
Sneaky.
Hope this works.
Juggernaut's now going for Orchard. Butterfly. Not.
Come on.
Yeah, can I get 2 orchards? Don't see the point of those. I guess it's still fine.
Haste.
Got no mind and top lane's pushing. Still level 15. Yeah, I do have mines.
Your top tower is under attack.
The Juggernaut can get some hits on
Down
it.
a dark road I go.
Your top
Got
tower
my
is
full
under
stop.
attack.
Gonna go for a new scepter right now. I guess right there a new scepter would have helped me.
A spot of
A
trouble
new
at
scepter
your
also
top
helps
tower.
me to solo someone easily. What? 2 static man. Status management. Stasis.
Dire just fortified their structures.
Yep, Juggernaut either going for a refresher. It can be a refresher too, yep. Going for a refresher or not such a fan of the refresher or bonds.
Well, that was interesting.
Get on my spoke. Not much of a fan of a refresher on Juggernaut. Because if
Off
we
we
don't have a
go.
go set, I guess it's fine. Mines. Phantom Assassin's down. Yes, see, even if
enemy's middle
opponent team has a
tower
very
is
farmed up
gone.
carry, the point of the techies is that you can just he's randomly walking and he blows up. So I'm preventing the challenge right now. We've got one tower, quite a lot of farm. So preventing their carry to stay there and defend as well as farm with that long of a time period is quite amazing.
Knows nothing.
That's why Techies is a good hero.
What?
Can be used more efficiently in international games. We've only seen him, I guess, close enough. I've seen him thrice in international games, not more than that. So he can be used more than that. If you have like a Medusa in your team, you can obviously pick a Techies too, because the Techies is just gonna help you reach. The Techies chooses how long you want the game to be, and as Medusa just needs farm. If you are able to get so, okay, we did lose the gem too. I'm gonna put some mine
Going,
spot
we're
as fast as
going.
possible.
Jeez.
They are trying to push bot.
Off we go.
Okay, yes, they will be getting the tower.
The tail of your bottom tower has ended.
Still fine.
They're on it.
Me.
Your middle tower is not doing well. Your middle tower
Gonna
is
go for
not
the
doing
mid
well.
tower right now. We're equal on towers. 1 kill ahead on kills. They still have a much more farmed up
Finders, keepers.
What?
Phantom Assassin compared to a Juggernaut. The Refresher may be able to kill the Phantom Assassin as
What was
fast as
that?
possible,
I didn't see anything.
but other than that, I don't think we have much of a problem against the rest of their team. May have got an Aghanims by now. The Shaker.
Here goes nothing.
Lenky's making an Aghanims.
Yes.
Got my mines ready top. After hitting level 16, I'm gonna be
Bomb has been planted.
The heroes were taking
after
things
level 16.
slow
I'm gonna be
for now.
trying to be the. We'll try to push as much as possible because after my level 16, as I said, I can take out 1 creep waves at a time. So it's obviously gonna help. How many do I have there? 4. It's pretty good now. The scepter is obviously gonna help. Okay, so the Rosh pits.
What if we?
Quiet. I'm trying to think. Off we go! Think fast!
Okay, we able to clear the kill. You need one more. So you wanna know who has the wards right there? We did got a refresher. Phantom Assassin is them. She does. How much range does gem have?
Let's go.
They may probably be a Rosh pit.
Yes! Aw, just look at it.
Nice.
Yep.
You sure?
Quit arguing.
We'll be able to push quite well.
Invisible numbers. Yes.
You can go for a suicide. It's 1150 physical damage.
Turnabout is foul play.
Let's keep pushing. Lost. Okay, we did get the gem back.
Dire has strengthened their structures.
Never mind that.
The enemy's middle
my use
tower
scepter.
has fallen.
The barracks are gonna go down.
The enemy's middle barracks have fallen.
Mines right here. We don't have gem.
Your enemy's middle tower is gone. The enemy's middle tower was torn down.
We are ending the game right here.
Find him place.
With Radiant winning, so ends this tale.
One gank to him. Yes, that's fine enough. A game was not able to do much, but the team was good. The Juggernaut was formed up. The refresher wasn't required. We didn't even use it in the gank. If we did, I didn't notice it. So it's fine. 8-6. Died of suicides thrice. Other 3. So basically, I fed thrice. I guess that's fine. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe. It's gonna help me a bunch. Meet you guys tomorrow.